Hey guys, what's up? Today we have a super exciting announcement, and so we thought we would just film a chill kind of vlog where it's not really a vlog, I guess it's a sit down video, except we're not sitting down.
Life Unfiltered, part 7.
Because we have no chairs. We have some exciting, what is that for?
Saran wrap.
Why?
I'm putting it on the desk so we don't have to wash the desk when we do the unboxing.
First of all, we are unboxing something very exciting. We went to the mall today. So I personally have this philosophy, and I think I just grew up with this because my parents are like this, but basically instead of waiting until big holidays like, you know, Thanksgiving, like Christmas, New Year's to give someone something, if I am lucky enough to have the means to just buy it for them and give it to them, like I'd rather them be able to have it and use it instead of them waiting for this like holiday. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yes, just like this. Remember this from the last episode? Basically, it's an excuse to say that she can buy anything whenever she wants if she feels like it.
Can we talk about that? What's your take on it? Like, did you get Christmas gifts growing up?
Yeah, but it didn't have to come on 12/25.
I don't think I ever got like Christmas gifts, but like my parents just give me presents like when they get them for me. Like we don't wait until like, you know what the worst thing ever is? When someone gets you one present for your birthday and Christmas. I got Kevin a present today. Okay, so do you want to unbox it / remove it?
It's my white coat. It's the uniform of the doctor.
It is the doctor uniform. I got Kevin the Patagonia jacket in the light.
The stone wash gray.
Sure, whatever you call it. If you guys have noticed, I've had to work very hard censoring Kevin's other Patagonia jacket that has some sensitive information on it. Like
my only jacket for work?
Yeah, so I mean, first of all, I just wanted to get you this jacket because I didn't want you to have only one jacket for work, and it's very cold here, and so you need more jackets. But also it'll help me so I don't have to censor it anymore.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love you too. You want to put on yours?
Yeah, so then I felt very left out. So then I was like, you know what? I'm a working woman. Like, I earn money. I deserve to have one too. And so I got myself one. And I actually got mine in a size small. Yours is size small too, right? Yes. I was debating between the extra small and the small, but I decided that, like, why constrict my blood flow? Oh, are we cute? Okay. Next we have a package from Amazon.
Whoa.
So the first thing I ordered is, basically my phone is like not charging properly anymore with a cord, but it has a wireless charging capability anyways, and so I have the iPhone 11 and I just ordered the wireless chargers, and so this actually looks really fancy.
Wow, Anchor.
Ooh. This is what it looks like, and you just put your phone on it and it should charge supposedly. Are we ready? Are we ready for the moment of truth? I'm so scared. What if it doesn't work?
It's probably really slow.
Is it? I also wanted to order this one because I also have AirPods and
that looks sketchy.
An iWatch. What brand is it? I'll link these down below if you guys are interested in getting them.
Do we need to review them?
I'm trying to like upgrade my life.
Yes. By small things.
Yeah, I'm starting with like small things. The Restoration Hardware couch will come later. Please sponsor us.
Ah, I want to do it.
No, don't do it.
See, this is a USB-C cable.
So this is what it looks like.
This one's fancy. I like this one.
Ooh, I like it. Here's my AirPods. I'm gonna plug them in the side here. Okay.
This is as far as it goes.
Oh, it says charging. It works. I love it when you buy something and it actually works. Okay. Ready?
Whoa.
Ooh.
What is this?
Wait, I'm actually pretty excited for this. Nail polish, which I actually don't have any. It's gel nail polish.
What's that mean? Do I want to do my nails?
It's so cool when people send me stuff in the mail. It's like Christmas every day.
I have so many chargers.
Look how cute this little
I have so many USB cables and no brick.
In case you couldn't tell, Kevin's favorite thing to do on planet Earth is to unbox stuff.
Yes.
Isn't that right, babe?
Yeah.
So we have two really big major announcements that we are making today. Yeah.
Oh.
Can't even make the announcement. Okay, you can make the first announcement.
We are getting a...
No, you have to make it more exciting.
We are getting a
No, you have to make it more exciting.
We are getting a P.O. box.
Woo!
A post office box.
Yes, we are officially, we've been on a wait list to get a P.O. box, only for a week, but we've been on a wait list, and we officially have a P.O. box. So I will leave the information up here and down in the description box. But we just thought it'd be a really nice way if you guys want to send us letters or anything for Kevin to unbox, because Kevin loves to unbox things. I mean, I do too. You don't have to send us anything if you don't want to, but we thought it might be fun to
do that.
Yeah. Are we excited?
Yes.
I think it'd be so cool. I think, like,
do we have that many fans? Are we like that popular?
I know, what if we don't get anything? Should we send them letters back?
Yeah, if your letter is worthy enough for a return. Then
if it is worthy by Kevin's standards, then we will be sending you guys mail back. And part of the reason we got a P.O. box is related to our second big announcement that we are making today. Should I add some like drum rolling?
What do we? I don't even know what this announcement is.
So I know it's still early, but I really wanted to do it last year and I didn't really get to do it, and I think it would be a very big challenge and it's going to be really difficult for us, but I think it would be good for our community and for them to be able to get to know us on a deeper level and for like kind of push ourselves at the end of 2020. So, okay, if you have no idea what this announcement is yet and you've been patient and didn't scroll all the way to the end, pause this video and comment down below what you think the announcement is before we make it. So, the announcement is that Kevin and I, and by Kevin and I mean I, have decided that we are doing Vlogmas this year.
I don't know what I signed myself up for.
So Vlogmas, if you guys don't already know, which I'm sure everybody knows except Kevin, is where you vlog for 25 days straight and you upload every single day between December 1st and December 25th.
What?
But I'm hoping that because there are two of us, like, it will be not as bad, right? Because, like, you know, like, some days you can take them to work and some days I can take them to work and it'll be so much fun.
Okay.
I do all of the editing for our channel. I am the editor, I'm the photographer, I am literally everything, and so...
I'm just the star.
Yeah, Kevin just produces the footage. We will be tackling Vlogmas this year, which is why we're also super excited to have the P.O. box, to be able to have you guys send us stuff to show you guys on camera, and then also for us to send you guys stuff back for the holidays. And we just want to let you guys know that we appreciate you guys and we love you guys so much to the ends of the earth. And 2020, as kind of not great of a year as it was for the world, we have each other. Yay! It has been so nice getting to share our lives with you guys, and what better way to do it than to end the year with a bang?
Yes.
Right? Mm-hmm. So we're super excited for Vlogmas. We know it's still early. I am a little bit scared about whether or not we can do the every single day thing, but we will try our best, but maybe it'll be like every 2 days or something like that. You know, we'll make it work, right?
Mm-hmm. Give us any suggestions for anything that we can film about also, so we can put that down. Do it. Because we have 25 days of stuff.
It's also my birthday during Vlogmas.
Aww. I'm also going to be working in the...
You can tell them where you're working.
I'm going to be working in the ICU that month.
Yep. So it'll be really exciting for both of us, for sure. So yeah, that's it for this vlog.
Thanks for watching, guys. And stay tuned for more with Miki and Kev unboxing series. And don't forget that you're a 10 out of 10 and don't let
anyone
else
make
you feel otherwise.
Woo! Okay. Love you guys. Bye.